Welcome once again, and let's talk about Coinbase and Terra Luna Classic token. Coinbase is already sending message to all Terra Luna Classic holders. Now, remember, we all have been talking about Coinbase listing Terra Luna Classic coin. In fact, the community since months now has been mounting serious pressure on Coinbase to list Terra Luna Classic. And then remember that Coinbase recently, according to rumor, have actually purchased about $245 million worth of Terra Luna Classic coins. Now, if that is to be true, Coinbase is already sending that message that soon they will list Terra Luna Classic coin. Now, listing Terra Luna Classic coin will definitely help this coin to really grow. I believe if Coinbase really purchase Terra Luna Classic, and that simply means Coinbase might be listing Terra Luna Classic coin any moment from now. But remember that Coinbase listing this coin, definitely that will be happening in 2023, and I believe, though it's something that we've not really confirmed, but you know, most of all these top crypto exchanges, if you see them getting interested on a particular coin or even purchasing such coin, that's already give you a signal that they are about to list such coin, just like Binance. Now, Binance founder CZ have been showing great support for Terra Luna Classic, and he even owns Terra Luna Classic coins. And all this while he has been supporting Terra Luna Classic coins. And you must know that our Coinbase already, before they actually listed this coin, before removing, so there's a possibility that they will be listing Terra Luna Classic. And I believe holders need to get ready, because once Coinbase lists Terra Luna Classic, we are going to see a massive increase in price. But for Coinbase having interest on buying Terra Luna Classic coins simply shows that they might be having interest on buying Terra Luna Classic coin and then listing it at the same time, because buying the coin worth about $245 million, that's about 1/4 of Terra Luna Classic coins, I believe. And if an exchange can own such number of coins, I think they will be listing such coin. So Coinbase is already giving us a signal, a message that once they purchase Terra Luna Classic coin, I believe listening to Terra Luna Classic coin is going to be the next thing they will be doing. And let's hope to see Terra Luna Classic get listed by Coinbase, because definitely if they list Terra Luna Classic, Terra Luna Classic is going to gain an increase in price. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.